Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2012-2013 Panini Limited box break number 23. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Showing them in the box is NE191020170. That's NE191020170. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Start with the base card for the Wild of Nicholas Backstrom. 18 out of 299. Then we have a base card for the Blackhawks of Patrick Kane. 58 out of 299. We have a nice hit Stanley Cup winners autograph card for the Stars of Joe Nieuwendyk. 6 out of 99. We have a nice hit for the Avalanche. It's a Net Crashers card of Gabriel Landeskog. 2 out of 50. That's a nice hit for the Avalanche, Gabriel Landeskog. We have a crease cleaners card for the Bruins of Tuukka Rask. Number 90 out of 99. And we have a Back to the Future hit for the Islanders of Calvin DeHaan and Dennis Potvin. 125 out of 199. And then to finish it off, we have a limited captain short print card for the Blues of Brett Hull. 78 out of 99. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.